The Sukhoi Su-57, Russia's most advanced fifth-generation fighter jet, represents a significant leap in modern aviation technology. It blends stealth, speed, agility, and cutting-edge avionics, making it a highly formidable aircraft in air-to-air and air-to-ground combat scenarios. In this detailed review, we'll explore the core aspects that define the Su-57, from its design philosophy to weapon systems, propulsion, stealth features, and onboard technology. Welcome to Spec. Let's dive into what makes this aircraft so special. The Su-57 is designed with an aerodynamic frame that emphasizes stealth while maintaining high maneuverability. Unlike some other stealth jets, such as the F-35, the Su-57 does not compromise on agility. Its airframe incorporates composite materials, reducing the jet's radar cross-section while offering greater structural strength and lower weight. The twin-engine setup with thrust-vectoring nozzles allows it to perform extreme maneuvers, including the ability to maintain control at high angles of attack, giving it a critical edge in dogfights. The engines are a key element in its performance. Initially, the jet was powered by AL-41F1 engines, but the newer Saturn ISDELI-30 engines aim to take performance to the next level, enhancing thrust and efficiency. These engines allow the Su-57 to supercruise at supersonic speeds without engaging afterburners, a feature crucial for both evading enemy radar and preserving fuel in extended missions. In terms of stealth, the Su-57 leverages a combination of stealth shaping and radar-absorbing materials. Although it doesn't achieve the same low observability levels as the F-22 Raptor or F-35 Lightning II, its designers chose a balance between stealth and aerodynamic performance, making it versatile for multiple combat roles. Its internal weapons bays help reduce its radar cross-section during stealth missions, while external hardpoints are available when stealth is not a priority and maximum firepower is required. The Su-57's radar and avionics suite is state-of-the-art. It features the N036 Bielka radar system with multiple antennas positioned across the aircraft, providing 360-degree situational awareness. This radar can detect and track multiple targets over long ranges, making the Su-57 a powerful multi-role fighter. Additionally, the jet includes infrared search and track (IRST) sensors, which allow it to detect adversaries based on heat signatures, a useful tool in environments where stealth may be compromised. Weapons play a critical role in defining the Su-57's battlefield capability. The fighter can carry a wide range of air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons, including R-77 and R-74 missiles and Kh-59 guided missiles. It is also capable of deploying hypersonic weapons, making it a threat even to high-value targets. The internal weapons bays allow it to engage in stealth missions with precision strikes, while external pylons can mount additional armaments for maximum combat versatility. One of the standout aspects of the Su-57 is its ability to operate in a network-centric warfare environment. The jet can communicate and share data with other aircraft and ground units, improving its situational awareness and effectiveness in joint operations. It also features artificial intelligence systems that assist pilots by automating routine tasks and enhancing decision-making under high-pressure conditions. The cockpit of the Su-57 is designed with the modern pilot in mind, featuring a large touchscreen display, advanced HUD, and hands-on throttle and stick (HOTAS) controls. These features allow the pilot to access critical flight information and weapon systems without distraction, ensuring high levels of operational efficiency. The Su-57 program has faced several delays and controversies, especially in terms of mass production. However, Russia aims to ramp up production and integrate the aircraft more widely into its military. The Su-57 is also expected to be the basis for future unmanned variants and drone systems, signaling Russia's commitment to expanding its combat capabilities for the future. Overall, the Su-57 is an ambitious aircraft that reflects Russia's focus on balancing stealth, agility, and raw firepower. It may not be as stealthy as some of its American counterparts, but it offers a unique blend of capabilities that make it a highly adaptable fighter. Its maneuverability, multi-role potential, and advanced sensors ensure it can dominate both in the air and on the ground. Although production challenges remain, the Su-57 stands as a testament to Russia's ability to push the boundaries of aerospace engineering. That's all for today's detailed review on Spec. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more content on advanced tech and vehicles. Drop a comment below if there's anything you want us to cover next, and thanks for watching.